Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best tequila bar is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions you can make to your home entertainment space, offering a dedicated area to showcase your favorite agave spirits and craft unique cocktails for yourself and your guests. Imagine the convenience and style of having a curated selection of tequilas readily available, transforming your living room or patio into a sophisticated haven for sipping and socializing. This isn't just furniture, it's an experience, a statement piece that elevates your home's ambience and your appreciation for fine spirits. Number 5. Modern Mixology 8-Piece Cocktail Shaker Set. Elevate your home bar experience with this comprehensive cocktail shaker set. It includes everything you need to craft delicious, bar-quality drinks right in your own kitchen. This all-in-one kit features an 18-ounce shaker, jigger, strainer, bottle opener, mixing spoon, and ice tongs. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced home bartenders looking to upgrade their tools. Keep your bar tools organized and on display with the included stylish wooden stand. It adds a touch of sophistication to any home bar setup. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This premium set is ideal for any occasion, from holidays to special celebrations. It's a gift that any cocktail lover will appreciate and treasure. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, this set is built to last. Enjoy durable tools that are also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. With included recipe cards and professional-grade tools, you'll be mixing signature drinks like a seasoned bartender in no time. Get ready to impress your guests. What we like. This cocktail shaker set is perfect for crafting bar-quality drinks at home. It includes all the essential tools and a stylish wooden stand for organization. If you're looking to upgrade your home bar or find a comprehensive gift, this set offers durability and functionality. What people say. The Tequila Bar is a great addition to my home bar setup. It holds a good amount of bottles and glasses. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. Number 4. RipGrip Funny Black and White Decor. Elevate your living space with this unique piece as the centerpiece. It can transform your environment, creating a focal point or infusing creativity into any room. You won't find this exclusive design anywhere else. This versatile decor effortlessly complements various interior styles, bringing warmth to any bare wall. It allows you to customize your art to suit your style and space. It's a perfect addition to any home. Crafted with care, it's printed on sustainably sourced paper using water-based inks. It comes equipped with protective plexiglass and easy-to-use hangers for flexible display. It's shipped securely to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Our team ensures every order meets our high standards, minimizing defects. We want you to shop with confidence and experience the beauty of this art for yourself. Enjoy a worry-free purchase. This artistic piece makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. Give it for birthdays, housewarmings, graduations, or any special occasion. It's a perfect way to add color and a personal touch to any space. What we like. Add a touch of personality to your space with this eye-catching wall art. It's designed to complement various interior styles and is printed on sustainably sourced paper. If you're looking for a unique piece of decor for your dorm, man cave, or any room that needs a splash of character, this is a great choice. What people say. The bar is very sturdy and well-built, with a solid wood construction that feels durable. It has a generous amount of shelf space for bottles and glassware, and the built-in wine rack is a nice touch. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with our home decor. Number 3. Agave Tequila Glasses and Decanter Set. Introducing a stunning hand-blown decanter and shot glass set, inspired by the agave plant. It's the perfect addition to any home bar, adding a touch of artisan elegance. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted, showcasing intricate detail that will captivate your guests. Designed for mezcal, whiskey, scotch, and other premium spirits, it's a true work of art. This set features a beautiful agave plant motif on the decanter and matching shot glasses. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite tequila, whiskey, or other fine spirits. Whether for tabletop display, special celebrations, or as a unique gift, this set is sure to impress. It makes an ideal present for birthdays, housewarmings, or any spirit connoisseur. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This exquisite barware set is perfect for husbands, boyfriends, or anyone who appreciates fine spirits and unique craftsmanship. Experience the quality of hand-blown glassware. This large decanter and set of shot glasses are crafted for both beauty and durability. What we like. Elevate your spirits with this exquisite agave-inspired decanter and shot glass set. Each piece is handcrafted, making it a true artisan item for your home bar. If you appreciate unique, artistic barware and want to impress guests with your taste for fine spirits, this set is an exceptional choice. What people say. The bar is very sturdy and well made, with a beautiful finish that looks great in any room. It has plenty of space for bottles and glasses, and the built-in shelves are perfect for organizing your barware. The design is modern and sleek, and it's surprisingly easy to assemble. Number 2. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist with our alcohol infusion kit. Easily create unique, natural flavors tailored to your exact taste. Explore a world of taste with 12 included natural infusion materials. Mix and match to craft your signature spirit, from simple to complex. Wow your friends and family with expertly crafted infused spirits and cocktails. Elevate your home entertaining game. Go beyond the ordinary and discover flavor combinations you won't find anywhere else. Experiment with endless possibilities. Looking for a unique gift? This kit comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal present for anniversaries, birthdays, or any celebration. Enjoy the process with our user-friendly kit. Plus, key components like the filter, funnel, and bottles are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like. Unleash your creativity and craft unique spirits with this alcohol infusion kit. It comes with a variety of natural infusion materials to create endless flavor combinations. If you enjoy experimenting with flavors and want to impress friends with your custom-made liquors, this kit offers a fun and personalized experience. What people say. This tequila bar is a fantastic addition to any home. It's well made and looks great in my living room. I love the design of this tequila bar. It has plenty of space for bottles and glasses, and the built-in shelf is perfect for displaying my favorite tequilas. The quality of this tequila bar is excellent. It's sturdy and durable, and I can tell it will last for years to come. Number 1. Tequila Infusion Kit, Bourbon Old Fashioned. Discover the art of tequila making with our comprehensive infusion kit. It's designed for anyone who appreciates a fine spirit, offering a unique way to craft your own personalized beverages. Create your ideal tequila, or experiment with flavors like smoky Scotch, classic Irish, or American bourbon. Our kit provides wood chip blends and botanicals to help you achieve a refined taste every time. Infusing is easy. Add your favorite alcohol and wood chips to the bottle, let it steep for a few weeks, then add botanicals. After a short rest, your custom creation is ready to enjoy. This complete set includes elegant bottles, diverse wood chip blends, exciting botanical flavors, a funnel, customizable labels, shot glasses, and an informative booklet. Everything is ready for your creative journey. Elevate your home mixology with this versatile infusion kit. It's the perfect personalized gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to show someone you care. Infuse, pour, and savor the unique taste of your homemade spirits. Follow the simple recipes and enjoy the satisfaction of crafting your own signature drink. What we like. Create your own personalized tequila with this comprehensive infusion kit. It includes everything you need to experiment with chips and botanicals for a refined taste. If you're a tequila enthusiast looking to craft your perfect blend or searching for a unique gift for a spirit lover, this kit makes the process simple and rewarding. What people say. The bar is very sturdy and well made. It has a lot of storage space for bottles and glasses. The design is sleek and modern, looks great in my living room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.